pop the tire off the bead. That's not good. You ain't just gonna pump air back into that. But there's a pretty easy fix, and you don't have to blow yourself up to do it. So, you could use a can of ether and a lighter and either seat the bead or blow yourself up. But I want another way. We're gonna use a ratchet strap, jack up off the ground, strap the tire with a ratchet strap, and using a 20-gallon air compressor, we'll pump air into it. So the serviced up, pumped it up all the way to about 30 pounds. Air compressor died, of course, so I gave you another one. As you can see, we had to go to the backup air compressor. Little pancake right here, because my big 20-gallon decided to die in the middle of doing this. In life. Now we can get back to work. If you're in a tractor, if you're in a Jeep, if you're on a golf cart, if you're on a foiler, ratchet strap is the way to go. Strap it on there, snug it up, put some pressure on it, it'll seat the bead. Pump air into it if you have to. You remove this valve stem core out of here. That allows you to get more airflow from your tank without the valve stem restricting your airflow. That'll help you seat the bead. When you pull it back off, you'll hear the air hissing out. You just pump the stem back in there. And I'm sorry, the stem core. And that's about it.